Hey everybody, this is Delaney with Premier RV in Bluegrass, Iowa, and today I'm going to take you through the 2026 Brinkley Model Z 2700. This is a brand new rear kitchen couples fifth wheel that Brinkley has put out, and you're definitely going to love it. Before I get too far into the video, please make sure to like and subscribe. Let us know what you think in the comments down below. And this unit is available at premierrv.com, so make sure to check it out if you're interested. Starting off on the outside, you have your classic fiberglass exterior with Brinkley's sleek, modern, automotive grade style decals. And you do have 2-inch sidewall construction with Asdel on the exterior and the interior that is 50% lighter than wood, and it helps prevent mold, mildew, and rotting. You've got a really nice large pass-through storage compartment here. It is a heated pass-through storage compartment. You've also got a hot and cold shower on both sides of this unit, and you will find your 12-volt power switch and solar power switch in the front of that compartment as well. You've got under I-beam storage underneath that. Coming around front, you've got your Curt Helix Kingpin with coil spring and shock absorber. This helps reduce shock to the frame by about 30%. In the front storage compartment is where you will find things like your solar controller. This unit comes with 370 watts solar and a 50 amp controller. You've also got your hydraulic system that controls both your leveling jacks and your slide system. You have a 4-point auto leveling system on this unit. Just makes the whole thing very efficient. You've got two 30-pound LP tanks on this unit. You've got compartments for those on either side of the unit. And of course, your very large off-door side pass-through storage compartment. This is where you will find, again, your controls for your auto leveling system, your detachable power cord. This unit runs off of 50 amp shore power. There is also basement utility access that comes with these nice sliding doors, so you can access things like your wire harness, your loomed wires, brass fittings, and things like that in case of an emergency situation. It just makes it nice and easy for you. You've got your convenience center back here as well with your electric dump valves and your 65-foot retractable hose, and another under I-beam storage compartment below that. For running gear, you've got 17.5 H-rated Uniroyal Michelin tires with counteract balancing beads. This increases tire life by at least 30%. You've also got two 7K pound axles with road defense triple powder coating and self-adjusting drum brakes with upgraded tubes. And of course, you've got your Curt TCS coil suspension that reduces road shock by 50% compared to your typical leaf spring axle setups. Around the back of the unit, you've got your ladder to get up on the roof, your rear camera prep, and you've got a 2-inch rear receiver. Coming back around to the door side of the unit, you've got one slide on this side and two large awnings. This unit does also come pre-wired for up to a 5.5K generator that is in your front storage compartment. You've got these nice solid fold-down steps and your telescopic handrail. Stepping inside, you've got a nice wide open rear kitchen floor plan here. Starting off with your L-shaped dinette. This thing is super versatile. You can extend it, retract it. There's 4 separate positions that you can move it into depending on whether you would like it for a table, a desk, or really whatever you want it to be. And as you can see, it's super easy to use. I'm doing it here with one hand, so you're going to have no issues. It is set in this slide box here. You've got a flush floor slide floor, and this thing is super tall, so you're not going to worry about hitting your head. You've also got really nice window coverage on this slide box, so you can see everything that's going on the door side of the unit. Moving on to the kitchen, this is the best part of the whole floor plan, but let's start with the fridge. You've got a 16 cubic foot energy efficient 12-volt fridge. This thing is going to be able to run while you're traveling, so it's going to keep your things nice and cold for you. You've got a ton of kitchen storage in this unit, starting off with this large pantry. You've got lots of space for any extra kitchen utensils or appliances, maybe even food, whatever you desire. In the bottom part of this pantry, you've also got nice pull-out drawers. You've got premium residential drawers with dovetail joints throughout this whole unit. Overall, just really nice, high-quality cabinet and drawer construction. You've also got premium residential soft close cabinet doors, and the drawers are also soft close, so you don't have to worry about things slamming and breaking and things like that. It's just a nice added touch. You've got a single basin stainless steel sink with a residential high-rise faucet. You've got nice lighting above the sink as well. Again, more storage here. The countertops throughout the whole unit are residential solid surface countertops. That way you don't have to worry about pesky water damage in between the seams of your typical T-molding style countertops. Below the sink, you've got a ton of storage space here. If this is not something that you want to use for storage, it is also dishwasher prepped, so you can get a dishwasher to throw in there if desired. For kitchen appliances, you have a large microwave, an oven, and a 3-burner stovetop. Over here is where you'll find your built-in paper towel holder, as well as your dual trash can pull-out drawer here. This is great because you don't have to worry about finding a place for a trash can to sit. It's just built in here. Now, this is the star of the show. You've got a waterfall island flip-up countertop that converts into this peninsula in case you don't need that extra counter space at the moment, or you just want something a little different. It pushes in like this, and there you go. You've got your peninsula that is separated from your other countertop. This also makes it easier for you to access those drawers down there. And in case you're worried about accidentally closing the slide while that countertop is up and accidentally breaking it, don't worry, Brinkley is one step ahead of you. They have a mechanism that does not allow you to close the slide unless that countertop is completely pushed in and stored in the down position. There's also a little red light on your monitor panel that glows when that countertop is not all the way pushed in and stored in the down position, so that just is another added step to make sure that things don't go awry when you're putting that slide in. Moving on to your living space, you've got a huge L-shaped couch here. Now, 4 of the seats in this L-shaped couch fold out into a sort of theater seat style. You've got a 65-inch smart TV with your articulating mount and a nice electric fireplace down below there. For entertainment purposes, you've also got your premium Rockford Fosgate audio system with Bluetooth and app control. And of course, you've got your physical controls as well. That is located right beneath the TV in those hidden cabinets. For extra storage space, you've got overhead cabinet space right above the L-shaped couch. This is perfect for games, extra blankets, pretty much anything that you would need. And that is pretty much it for the living area. Moving on to the bathroom, as you're stepping up the steps, you'll find your hidden monitor panel here, as well as your slide controls, awning controls, max air fan, things like that. You've also got some extra storage space above there, perfect for gloves, coats, hats, whatever. You'll also find your thermostat on that wall. You've got 2 ACs on this unit. You've got an 18K BTU chill cube air conditioner in the main living space, and then you've got a 13.5K BTU AC in the bedroom, and that also goes into the bathroom. You've got a nice large bathroom in here, and you will also find your tankless water heater control in the cabinet above the toilet. That is a porcelain foot flush toilet. You've got a nice large shower here with a beautiful skylight up above, and of course a beautiful vanity with a large medicine cabinet, a large mirror, and some really nice lighting. So if you need to do your makeup, do your hair, whatever, this is a perfect place for it. You've got outlets on the side of that vanity, a nice single basin sink, and a ton of storage underneath there. And you've got your max air fan with rain sensor in the bathroom as well. This is a dual entry or a walk-through bathroom. You've got this nice barn style door that shuts off from the bedroom and the bathroom to give you extra privacy. In the bedroom, you've got a queen size island bed, and this bedroom has a ton of storage. You've got this beautiful front closet here. This has really nice lighting so you can see everything, and a lot of space to hang things like your clothing, coats, and such. Below that, you have some nice drawer space. This is sort of a his and hers style situation, which is great if you are a couple and you're traveling. This is going to give both of you the space that you need for all of your clothing. On either side of the bed, you have these really nice bedside reading lights here with your light switches above the bed and underneath that overhead storage, so it's going to be nice and easy for you to access. You've got extra overhead storage space above, and you've got storage below the bedside tables. You can never have too much storage space in an RV, it just doesn't exist. There is your 13.5K BTU AC. You've got these nice little fold-out hooks, and of course another TV in this bedroom as well. In case you guys didn't think that that was enough storage in the bedroom, you've also got a nice large storage compartment underneath your bed as well. This is on gas struts, so it's going to hold it up for you so you don't have to worry about the thing falling down on your head. So that was the 2026 Brinkley Model Z 2700. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, feel free to subscribe, give us a like, let us know what you think in the comments down below. This unit is available at premierrv.com. If you're interested, please give us a call or visit our website for more information. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you on the next one.